All right, Exodus chapter 37. And the Brazil made the ark of shunning wood. 2.5 cabinets was the length of the cabinet, and the half of the breadth of it cabinet, and half of the height. And he overlaid it with pure gold, within and without, and made a crown of gold to it and around about. And he cast it for 4 rings of gold, to be set by the 4 corners of the 11, even 2 rings upon the other side of it. And he made the stoves shifting wood, and overlaid them with gold. And he put the sleeves unto the ring of the sides of the ark, and bare the ark. And he made the mercy seat of pure gold. 2.5 cabinets was the length of the one cabinet and a half, the breadth therefore. And he made 2 cabinets of gold beaten out of one piece. Made he them on the 2 ends of mercy seat, one curb of the end on the side of the another curb on the other side end of the side out of the mercy seat. Made he the charmer on the 2 ends therefore, and the current spread of their wings high, and covered with their wings over the mercy seat with their faces one to another, even to the mercy sweatward were the faces of the cabinets. And he made the table of shunning wood. 2 cabinet was the length of therefore, and with the cabinet of the breadth therefore, and a cabinet and a half of the height therefore. And he overlaid it with pure gold, and made thereunto crown of gold around about. Also he made there out unto a border of a ham beneath round about, and made a crown a gold for the border therefore around about. And he cast for 4 rings of gold, and put the rings upon the 4 corners that were in the 4 feet therefore. Over against the border were the rings, the pieces for the slaves to bear the table. And he made the staves of shunning wood, and overlaid them with gold to bear the table. And he made the vessel which were upon the table of his dishes, and his spoons, and his bowls, and his cover withal the pure gold. And he made the candlestick of pure gold, and between work, and made he the candlestick he sifted, and his branch has bowled, his noop and his flower were the same, and 6 branches going out of the sides. Therefore 3 branches of the candlestick out of the one side therefore, and the 3 branches of the candlestick out of the other side there. The 3 bowls made after the fashion, and among in one branch, and of a flower. Is it the bowls of fashion, and among one of the branches of the flower, and their bowls made like alum, and another branch a nope of flower. So therefore throughout the 6 branches going out of the candlestick, and the candlestick were 4 bowls made like alums, his noop and his flower, and the noops under 2 branches of the same, and a noop under the branches of the same of the noop under 2 branches of the same, according to the 6 branches going out of it. The noop and their branches were of the same. All of it was one beaten work of the pure gold. And he made his 7 lamps, and the sufferers, and his snuffner dish pure gold, of the talent gold, pure gold, made he it, and all the vessels therefore. And he made the incense altar of shunam wood. The length of it was a cabinet, and the beneath of it cabinet it was 4 square. Of the 2 cabinet was the height of the horns, therefore were of the same. And he overlaid it with pure gold, both the top of it, the sides therefore around about, and the horns of it. Also he made unto it a crown of gold around about, and he made 2 rings for gold it under the crown, therefore, or by the 2 corners of it, upon the 2 sides, therefore to be placed for the slaves to bear it withal. And he made the stoves of the shunam wood, and overlaid them with gold. And he made the holy anointment oil, and the pure incense of sweet spice, according to the work of the apostates.